Hey friends, if the Windows security page is blank in Windows, then please watch this video. So I can search for Windows security, and if I open this page, it shows a lot of options. But at times it is blank. So there are many reasons. I'll add one more here. Okay, not here. I'll add one more here. That disable third party antivirus. Remember to disable any third-party antivirus on the system because Windows security is more than sufficient, and third-party antivirus softwares impact the Windows security software, they sideline it. Now, here's what you have to do if you're using a managed system. A managed system means the one which is managed by an organization, a work, or a school if you're joined to a domain. In that case, the IT administrator will not allow you to access Windows security. Either it will not open. If it opens, then the page will be blank. So you have to contact him. If at all you wish to use it, most probably you will not get the permission for that. Then the next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset the computer. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to system, in the right pane go to recovery. Now click on reset PC. Select remove everything and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.